What? This is okay. The live is on. Why the headroom is different than what I'm trying to shoot today? I don't know. Well, okay. Hi, Tim's Facebook Live again. I'm going to do a song Firebird, which I did 2, 3 weeks ago. And while I was playing this song, the memory block came out all of a sudden. And I couldn't remember first part of the song. Well, I managed to go through the song anyway, but I didn't do well for the performance. So I want to do this one again. Well, because I'm doing it live here, but at the same time, I'm recording. It's going to be on timeline, and also I'm going to post these videos on my Facebook channel. So I want to get the cleaner, performance video. So that's why I want to do that. I'm sorry, I'm self-centered, but I hope you bear with me. Well, I may screw up again. Well, if I screw up, I won't do that again. But anyway, again, this song is called Firebird. There was a kingdom in me as you. I'm sorry, I screwed up again. Okay, start over. There was a kingdom in me, magic, where her specs fell. People enslaved by her images, soaring like a flaming soul. When the player traversed the air, she rode on the whirlwind. Cries a song to up, then get into another world. Music spread against the sky, ready her immortality. Cross voices cry, I transcend glory. Oh, she's run away, throwing ashes to the people's eyes. Try to get your eyes, cast her shadow on a burning sky. Music spread against the sky, raising her immortality. Cross voices cry, high crossing glory. Oh, again she's far away, throwing ashes to the people's side. Try to get your eyes, cast her shadow on a burning sky. shining her dress in a gorgeous by. It's just a trick by the sun to see to race between the wind. Thank you. Well, I was a little bit rushing, but I did it cleanly. Well, after I redone it, but I'm sorry, I have to practice more, probably. Thank you very much. Okay, see you.